To connect OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro with two devices at the same time, first of all, you will have to be connected with your first device and the Hey Melody application. Then you will have to go for the dual connection and you will have to simply turn it on, this switcher. Now, you will have to start by opening this case with both earbuds inside. Click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode, so this indicator will start blinking. Now you can release. On your second device, you will have to go for settings, open Bluetooth settings on your phone, and select OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. Accept pairing. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected, so you can quickly switch between the devices if you want by tapping just right here. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.